Hello everyone, my name is Amalia Ramadhani.
My name is Neisha Mera Salsabila.
Di sini kami akan menjelaskan materi connector of contrast.
Contrastive conjunction is a conjunction that connects two contradictory or different things. Three, even if, artinya sekalipun. Use it if the even is still in the mind or has not been done, he wishes. Artinya even if digunakan jika kejadian tersebut masih di pikiran atau belum dilakukan, berandai-andai. Example, 1. Even if you bought her an expensive gift, Tiara still wouldn't forgive you. 2. Even if he is tired, he keep practice for next basketball competition. 3. My mother has already had lunch even if she is not hungry. For, however, artinya bagaimanapun, biarpun, akan tetapi. Use it if the conflict that occurs can be practiced in advance. Artinya, however, digunakan jika pertentangan yang terjadi sudah dapat diprediksi sebelumnya. Example, we all tried our best, however, we lost the game. 2. That man has much money, however, he isn't happy at all. 3. I can understand everything what you have said, however, I am totally against it. 5. Whereas, artinya padahal, sedangkan, sebaliknya. It is used for comparing two things which have significant difference from each other. Whereas digunakan untuk membandingkan dua hal yang sama sekali berbeda. Example, 1. Chicken meat is white, whereas cow meat is red. 2. Her hair has a natural wave, whereas her sister had just straight.
Yang keenam ada on the other hand, artinya di sisi lain. It is used to say something that is different from the first thing mentioned. Contohnya yang pertama ada we had no money but on the other hand, we were very happy. Yang kedua, I like playing football. On the other hand, my brothers like playing basketball. Yang ketiga, this private school is very expensive. On the other hand, education of the school is very well. Yang ketujuh ada instead, artinya malahan sebagai gantinya. It means in place of something or someone else. Contohnya yang pertama, there is no chocolate now, I can give you some sugar instead. Yang kedua, would you like to go to another place instead of cinema? Yang ketiga, instead of complaining, you should try to be a constructivist. Selanjutnya ada while, artinya sementara, selagi, sedangkan. It means during the time or throughout the time. Contohnya, yang pertama, while Kennedy was in London, he went to see Susan. Yang kedua, while you were pregnant, my little girl was 1 year old. Yang ketiga, while you were talking on the phone, the door was knocked. Dan yang terakhir ada unless, artinya kecuali jika. Contohnya yang pertama, I can buy a new phone unless I get a job. Yang kedua, I will be insane unless you start to talk with me anymore. Sekian yang dapat kami sampaikan. Thank you.